y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to you guys with another editing video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be showing you how I made my fall intro because it is the beginning start of fall season. I'm actually preparing myself a little early this year. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm making my fall intro, of how I made my fall intro. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Part of this video will be a voiceover and part of it will not be a voiceover. Only because I feel that you guys kind of know how to work Canva a little bit. But let's go ahead and get straight into this tutorial. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on, and make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well if you like this video. If you have any comments, comment them down below. If you have any questions, just let me know and I will try to answer as many questions as I can. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I just want to state that I am using Canva Pro, so my backgrounds that I'm using may not be available if you're using the free version, but you can also find great backgrounds with using the free version. So when you're adding text to your background, make sure you duplicate the background first and then add text to one of the backgrounds. So you'll have a plain background, then you'll have a background with text on it. This is going to make a smoother transition when you're adding everything to Keynote. So once you have your images saved from Canva, you're going to move on to Keynote. Keynote is an app that is available on iPhone. If you don't have it on your iPhone, you can download it from the App Store. It is a free app. And then you're going to click the plus sign at the top of this app. And then you're going to click on a basic white image. And then you can just delete everything that's here. So you just by clicking on it, click and delete. And then you're going to click the plus sign at the top of the screen again. And then you're going to add a background image that you saved from Canva. I am choosing this background image. And once you have that scale to the size of the screen, you're going to then add another image by clicking the plus sign at the top of the screen. And now I'm just going to add the image that I have my channel name, which is Keyera Kaye, the image that says Fall 2020. I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to size that to the size of the screen. And what we're going to do here is click on that image. And this is where you can make the transition. So you're going to click on that, click animate. And once you click animate, at the bottom of the screen, you can see where you have all these different transitions. So I'm just going to scroll through here and see which transition looks best. I believe I used the iris transition on this one. Yes, I did. So that is the transition that I use on this one. But of course, you pick whichever one you want and whichever one looks better for your intro. So to save the image, you're going to click on the three dots. Do not click on edit because that's what I did, but click the three dots and then you're going to click export, click on movie, and then you're just going to save it to your camera roll. And once that's done, you're going to stay on that same screen. Just delete that the second background, I'm sorry, that says Keyerakaye 2020. So I deleted that one. Then I added in my social media handles. As you can see, I'm like stumbling over my words right now. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to add that, click on it, animate it, and just add another transition. Here, as you can tell, I deleted all the other backgrounds, and now I'm just adding in that blank leafy background that I saved. And then I'm going to do pretty much the same thing, but now I'm going to add in the subscribe background with the leaves on it, and I'm just going to make it all the same size. And then I'm going to add another transition. Like I said, it's pretty much the same thing. So you're just going to add another transition, whichever transition you like, and then you're going to save this video clip. Once you have all the video clips saved, you're going to open iMovie, and then you're just going to add all the clips into iMovie and then save that video. This next step is so optional. You do not have to do this step. So I am using the Filto app. I do have the paid version, not because I wanted to pay for it. I actually did the free trial, and then I paid for it on accident for a year. Do not be me. So I'm going to open the Filto app, open the image that we saved from iMovie, and then I'm going to click on Add Effects, then click on Effects, and you can just click on like glitch or like a TV screen. You can do like a camera screen or any kind of effects that you want to add. So I did know I wanted to add some sort of effect at the subscribe at the end of the video. I usually do like glitch screens, but this time I really wasn't feeling glitch screens, so I went ahead and did the rhythm, and I just kind of did like a random rhythm screen, as you can see in the intro. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just pretty much seeing how I want to tweak my intro a little bit more to give it a little more razzle dazzle. And that is pretty much it to this intro. The next step that I did do was I went back into iMovie and I added this image that I'm going to save from Filto, or the video that I'm going to save from Filto, and then I just added the music to my intro. That is all that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have the notifications turned on so you are notified when I upload videos. Leave some comments down below if you like this intro, or if you have any video requests for me. Leave that also down in the comments, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching.